So I'll give you just a little peek and just, some of the little happenings on the farm, aside from the busyness and importance of the farm. This little sideshow going here with the chickens and ducks. Not exactly sure why we're doing this, but just adds to the character of the farm. We had brought the dogs into the house. It was supper time. They were inside for a couple hours. And because of that, it left the farm unguarded. And those coyotes came and they broke in, killed off 2 of our ducks. I thought they had killed 3. But that old duck there, I found wandering in the snow the next morning. So that made the kids sad. But that is farm life for you. Damn coyotes. But at the same time, the kids found I'll show you. The kids found this hen brooding in the corner of that little shack. I thought it got taken by a fox like 3 weeks ago. I didn't even know it was there. Kids found it. A bunch of little chicks underneath of it. And thank you to the heart of a teenage girl. We have little chicks ready to greet winter. So they have some hardship ahead of them. But, just do everything we can to keep them going.
Oh, yeah, that doesn't make a difference.
See, I would be like this,
Yeah.
and then I just like this instead of having to take my hands off here. I just like, I don't even know.